Now, in our last video, we looked at how to add a video effect. So you can see we were looking at adding a blur, and we covered how to add a video effect. Now in this video, I want us to focus more on the audio effects, how to add an audio effect, and it's pretty much the same way. So if I click on this drop down arrow, you can see the different audio effects that we have over here. So you can select from one, and adding them to our clips will just be the same way, that only this time we're going to be adding them to our audio clips and not to our media clips. So let's just select reverb, select studio reverb. So click and drag so you can have it on the clips. We'll add it here. Now we play it. You can get the difference. Again, with it selected, we can come back to the effects control. Let's scroll all the way down, and we have the reverb over here. You can always come and select edit, and then you can make your edits. Now all these we will tackle them more in detail in our advanced course, but we have presets here. So let's select presets. Let's do cloud. That's fine. So you can hear the difference. So you can choose whichever audio effects that you want to add depending on the audio that you're editing. Add them to your audio clip. Again, you can see the FX symbol has changed its color. It's highlighted. That means we've added a clip. We've added an effect to it, and then you can head over here and then make your edits.